are RGB DRLs, and for those who don't know, you see the daytime running lights, the little things, the little light that's glowing right now. So that, all that wiring mess is going to basically change the colors on those through an app. I'm excited to see all the different colors. Honestly, I did not even know this was gonna come in today. Legit got home, saw the package on my front porch, and I'm like, no freaking way. I'm gonna remove the front bumper, and I'm gonna see if I can access that headlight and all the the modules. Basically, end goal is trying to get the headlight out, and then I'm pretty sure it's all this stuff that goes into like the modulation of the headlight, and then boom, we got RGB headlights. Easy peasy. I'm actually going to go through with doing the front bumper removal. Yeah, I'll get back with you guys once I get this front bumper off. So I got the front bumper kind of off. I'm just gonna have it set on this little foam piece. I'm just gonna have it sit like that because I'm able to get the headlights off like this. I'll be back
the next day.
I kind of wasn't able to finish last night, but it rained last night and I didn't want to put the front bumper back in and then have to take it off again. So this is my little trash bag rain-proofed car. So I don't know if it actually worked. I was afraid the electronics might mess up when it's exposed to water. I'm gonna take this off. The next step I think I'm gonna do is I gotta bring the two little the little metal pieces with the chips in it inside. I'm gonna go heat it up, and then that should allow me to take it off pretty easy. I do not think the blow dryer is hot enough, so I'm gonna put this in the air fryer and see how that goes. I hope this doesn't break the electronic. I assume I don't know, air fryer just seems like really hot heat gun in a larger area, so I'm praying this works. The electronics, I don't know if it's messed up or anything, but the air fryer is doing the trick. I got the bigger one chilling the air fryer right now again. Dude, just FYI, this thing is burning me right now through oven mitts. All right, so I got them put on. This one I use a lot less compared to, as you can tell, this one I put way too much, I feel like. I hope it sticks and I hope it stays and works. Everything is back together. I have the remote right here. Let me get that tape off first. Aw, it almost came off in one. Fuck. All right, ready? Turn on. You guys ready? We're doing blue. Boom! It doesn't work because I goofed, I'm not gonna lie. When I was installing the whole module and stuff, I was having issues with how to wire it. The kit I bought required splicing into the 12 volt accessory wire, and I didn't want to splice it because, well, I just don't want to splice anything. I just put everything back together. Kind of a bummer, I'm not gonna lie, but I do have another order coming in. I have different DRLs. They're not going to be RGB. They're going to be a single solid color, but I think it's going to be a lot better. And no, it's not going to be yellow. I'll just put that out there. And after baking the lights, it still works. Yeah, I just want to kind of give you guys a little update. I'm actually so happy those worked. I thought they didn't work because my battery was getting low. And since the battery was getting low, the DRLs didn't turn on or something like that. So I was scared that I was completely fucked. Also, while I have it on, listen to this difference, right? This is quiet. Ready? I'm about to open the valves. Dude, it is crazy. I don't know what that rattling is, but dude, it's so loud. It's such a big difference. It sounds amazing, bro. Bro, no fucking way. What? Man. Alright, bro, I'm messing with this, and look at that. I forgot to freaking plug the active grill motor, the plug-in for it. I forgot to put it back in. I had to take apart the whole freaking car again, dog. Legit, that wire, well, if it focuses, that wire right there, that was unplugged, so I'm pretty sure that was the issue. Luckily, it wasn't hard to get to. Putting it back together, and we'll see. Alright, I'm erasing the code, and hopefully it doesn't pop back up. You guys hear that startup? Ready? Okay, it wasn't as cool as that time, but dude, that startup sounds amazing, dude. Holy. Also, I'm freaking low on on gas, so. Bro, it's finally here. New freaking DRLs. It's not gonna be the RGB one, but look at that. Sheesh. I got the full module one, so we're able to actually like, it's like a plug and play thing. I'm not able to install the whole thing today, but dude, not even 5 minutes into working on it, I lost a fucking clip. Alright, so today we're gonna actually finish up the rest of the DRLs. I want to see if there's an easier way to do the outside ones, but we're gonna finish those up, and then also got another package that came, and I think you guys are gonna like this, but that's the package right there. Y'all ready for this? Boom, dude, look at that. So these ones are chromed on the outside and the diamonds compared to this where it's just black diamonds. I like these a lot, but I don't know, they kind of look like a 330i from afar. I don't know if you guys can tell. It just seems like a 330i. They should look pretty good. I bought this from Amazon, so I hope the fitment actually is good. I don't know. It looks pretty good from here, but I don't know. Well, I guess we'll see. I kind of have some of the front off, but dude, it is freezing right now. And the thing is, it's only like 46 degrees. Well, kind of windy, but still, dude, I'm freezing. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I kind of goofed. So this grill didn't come with that little camera, like front camera mount. So like, this is what it kind of looked like. There was like no front camera mount there. So I pried it off of the old chrome grill like this. And so now on the other part, that little centerpiece that kind of holds it, that's broken now. The actual like camera mount for it is also broken. So I don't know what to do, honestly. I mean, but it looks good. I actually like it a lot. I might just try to do it like this and run without it actually being fully secured. That's like the best course of action. Hope no one notices. That's like all I got. Bro, look at that panel gap, dog. What? This one was way worse than my other one too. I'm gonna order some Alibaba chrome grills, so it's gonna be my third set of chrome grills. Dang, bro. What the? That's crazy. But yeah, no, I'm gonna order the Alibaba one that has the like the camera mount thingy-majigger. I'm gonna see if they have one where it's actually on there. Otherwise, bro, it looks kind of clean. From afar, it looks good if you don't see the panel gap and stuff. So I'm filming this 2 days later, but dude, yesterday and the day before that, I started getting like the day before that, whenever I was filming the previous clips, I was starting to get sick. And yesterday, dude, it was so bad. It was crazy bad. And even this morning, I was like, I mean, I was dying just getting out of bed, and it was awful, dude. But yeah, I finished the car up around like 11 o'clock, and then I was just like straight. Well, no, I finished up around like 9, I'd say, not 11. I mean, it took a lot longer than it should have, honestly, but I was trying to get everything perfect. I didn't want to mess anything up, so it took a little bit to complete it, but I mean, turned out great, didn't break anything, so W. We're actually about to give this car a little wash because, dude, it is so dirty. Also, my exhaust is, like, rusting, I'm pretty sure. At least the bolts to it are. But yeah, we're about to give this car a wash. It needs it so bad, dude. Look how dirty she is, dude. I kind of wish we had better car washes around me. I'm not gonna lie, dude. I'm gonna go to a different car wash because this one's kind of cheeks, but look at the amber. It's kind of hard to, well, I guess, never mind. I guess you can see it pretty well. But, dude, the amber looks so good. Oh my gosh, that's sick, dude. Holy shit, that is sick. Also, yeah, peep the new grill. Yeah, we're gonna go to a different car wash. This one just isn't as nice as it used to be. A lot of people go here now, and it's like, I guess it uses through the community pool or all the chemicals and stuff, or I don't know, you just grab that, bud. Yeah, it's just like, dude, that one had no pre-soak. I guess like pre-wash, but that one had no pre-wash. It had nothing besides like rinse and soap. So normally it isn't a big deal for me, but I really need to kind of get the car clean. It's not gonna be as good as like a contact wash, but I mean, it's better than nothing. And I know this other place that's a little bit better. It's a little expensive, but bro, it's been a couple days because I've been sick and stuff. But look at these ambers. Oh my gosh, bro. It's so clean. I'm kind of iffy on this new grill. Look at that. Let me show you guys with the hazards on, because I think this car looks sick. You know what I mean? Like, imagine using your turn signal and your DRLs match the turn signals. I don't know, dude. I love it so much. It looks sick. And it's different. Most people do yellow, so this is real different than most. Oh, it's sick, dude. I love it. Yeah, I'll probably sum up the YouTube video. I want to start doing more like vlog styles, because most of the times I do like a install style. Yeah, most times I do like install videos, but I want to switch over to kind of like vlogs. And I don't know, dude. Installing a car part and like filming it takes so much time. I feel like I'd much rather film and vlog over just filming me install the car parts. But yeah, dude, that Z90 gets worked on sometime, because I missed it so much. But yeah, dude, this car's looking good. Also, I got new mirror caps coming in, different ones. For one, it's not gonna have this stupid gap. The company I went with, they freaking suck, dude. I was talking with them, and basically I was trying to get a new one because that one's like bad, and they refused to send me another one or give me a refund. So yeah.